Key characteristics of crystals and their healing properties. Crystals have been used for centuries for their unique characteristics and healing properties. In this chapter, we will explore the key characteristics of crystals and delve into why they are widely employed in the realm of healing. Understanding these fundamental aspects will deepen our appreciation for the profound effects crystals can have on our well being. Molecular structure. At the core of a crystal's identity lies its molecular structure. Crystals poses an organized arrangement of atoms, molecules, or ions, which repeat in a symmetrical pattern. This inherent structure contributes to the stability and distinctive properties exhibited by each crystal. Vibrational energy. One of the most remarkable features of crystals is their ability to hold and emit energy in the form of vibrations. Every crystal resonates at a unique frequency, influenced by its molecular composition and geometric structure. This vibrational energy is believed to interact with our own energy field, influencing our physical, emotional, and spiritual states. Color and light. The colors exhibited by crystals are captivating and hold significance in their healing properties. Each color corresponds to different energetic frequencies and can affect specific aspects of our being. For example, red crystals stimulate vitality and passion, while blue crystals promote calmness and communication. Crystals can also refract light, creating stunning displays and amplifying their energy. Crystal lattices and sacred geometry. The arrangement of atoms within a crystal forms a lattice structure, which adheres to sacred geometry principles. Sacred geometry, encompassing patterns like the flower of life or Metatron's cube, is believed to hold inherent divine order and resonate with the harmony of the universe. Crystals embody these geometric principles, contributing to their energetic balance and healing potential. Piezoelectric and pyroelectric properties. Certain crystals exhibit unique electrical properties. Piezoelectric crystals generate an electric charge when pressure is applied, while pyroelectric crystals generate a charge when subjected to temperature changes. These properties make crystals valuable in technological applications but also contribute to their healing attributes by interacting with the body's electromagnetic field. Amplification and transmutation. Crystals possess the ability to amplify and transmute energy. When utilized in healing practices, crystals can enhance positive vibrations, helping to shift and balance the energies within an individual. They can also transmute negative energies, promoting purification and cleansing of the body, mind, and spirit. Resonance with chakras and energy centers. Crystals are often associated with the body's energy centers, known as chakras. Each chakra corresponds to specific qualities and functions within the human system. By placing crystals on or near these energy centers, practitioners aim to restore balance and harmonize the flow of energy, facilitating healing and well-being. Intuition and connection. Crystals have an inherent ability to connect with our intuition and higher consciousness. Many individuals report feeling drawn to particular crystals intuitively as if the crystal itself is choosing them. This intuitive connection can guide us towards the crystals that resonate with our needs and facilitate profound healing experiences. The key characteristics of crystals, including their molecular structure, vibrational energy, color, sacred geometry, electrical properties, and resonance with chakras, contribute to their powerful healing properties. Crystals serve as conduits for energy, amplifiers of intention, and catalysts for transformation. By harnessing the unique qualities of crystals, we can tap into their remarkable potential to support holistic healing and enhance our overall well-being.